Good afternoon, students and viewers. Today's special class for farmers and agriculture. This is the third time I am giving a speech about farmers. They are the most important asset of the nation. When Nehru was the Prime Minister and Lalu Shastri was the Prime Minister of India, they used to encourage and support the farmers. Farmers are the asset of the country. India is the only country where farmers are neglected and humiliated. They are the most important asset of the nation. Just think, when you take food for breakfast sitting on near dining table or in hotel, the food in front of, who is behind this? The hard work of farmers. Those who are not respecting farmers, according to my view, they are not supposed to take food. They are not supposed to take a single food because the hardworking farmers are humiliated and neglected by the persons and in the leaders of the country. In advanced countries, first they give importance for farmers. Without farmers, what you are going to do? Encourage them, support them, help them, give loan for them. The food items come to our kitchen, like all the grains, rice, wheat, everything, the sweat and blood of farmers. They are the asset of the nation. But so far, in India, nobody has given a value for these hardworking people. Till it says more than 2 lakhs farmers committed suicide in India, especially North India. You just think about few seconds about most important. Our late Prime Ministers used to give more support and encourage for farmers and Jawans. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, uttered by our late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Nehru also supported and loved farmers. The same chair other Prime Ministers sitting. They don't care about this hardworking and asset of the country. If you are neglected farmers, a time will come, food famine. We will die, starvation, starve to death without food. What would be happening? Which country is going to help us? We are the second populous country. According to population, we want more food items. Rice, wheat, vegetables, all items. The poor farmers working hard in the paddy field. It's not for them, for the sake of all Indians. Just think about it, a few seconds. They are humiliated. Don't give any value for this. Just think, are they important or not? It's a question mark. They are most important. But only a person who thinks positively can value these farmers. Just when you sit near the dining table in front of your lunch thing, who is behind this? This wheat, rice, all other items by the sweat and blood of the farmers. They are working hard for you and me, for all Indians. According to the population, we want more food items. If the farmers are committing suicide every day, what is going to happen? You can see a land without agriculture, a land without farmers. That is the end of our nation. So I request all leaders of the country, give importance, encourage them. If they loan, under loan, give their loan, help them for a better world, for a better India. Let us unite with the farmers, support them. If you support, every Indian support is needed in this hours. It's a critical junction. They are on the road many days, more than 1.5 months passed since nobody is going to settle this issue. What is this? I never heard a country or nation humiliating or neglecting the farmers. They are highly respected people in our country. They are assessed precious than gold and diamond. Nobody knows this. Only the man who is thinking positively can understand the value of farmers and their hard work. So let us think, support encourage, love them, protect them, encourage them, inspire them for the development of our agriculture fields. Have a nice day.